Hello students, now take out your math book, this one, and today we are going to do a new chapter, that is chapter 7, multiplication. But before going to start the multiplication, I will show you something, okay? We have done already addition. So suppose you have if you have to add this one, so how you will add? You will count these flowers, then you will write the answer, right? So how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. And how many box? 2 box. In each box we have 2 flowers. That means the answer is 4. Right? But this is the addition process. So this is a long process. When we are doing a bigger number, this with the help of addition, it takes too much time. Okay, so for make it easy, we can use multiplication process, an easier or shorter method. So when we are doing this type of repeated addition, on that time we can use multiplication method like this. How many box we have? 2 box. For that, write 2. Then this is the multiplication sign. This is the plus sign, minus sign, and this one is called multiplication sign. Okay. So today we are doing this one. So 2 into how many flowers? 1, 2. In each group, how many flowers? 2 flowers, right? So write here 2. So 2 2s are 4. If you count these flowers, you will get 4, and if you do it in shorter way, then also you will get 4. So like this, you have to do this one, complete the table. So here the question is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times I have written 4? 6 times, right? I have written 4 6 times. Now, if you add all these 4, then what will be the answer? It will take too much time while adding this all numbers, like 4 plus 4, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So altogether the answer is 24. But if we do it in shortcut way or easier way, so all the numbers are 4. So for that we have written 4, and how many times we have written 4? 6 times. For that we have written 6. So now we are doing multiplication. So 6 4s are 24. So in this way you can do this lengthy process in a short, easier way. Now next question is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so how many times I have written 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, so write here 5. Then all the numbers are 6. So that's why we have done the repeated addition. So that's why I have to write here 6. So 5 6 are 30. Okay, so when you add all this 6, you will get the answer 30. So in this way you have to do this sum. Complete the table, page number 83. Now we will do exercise 7.1. Okay, now we will do exercise 7.1. Fill in the blanks. First question is, there are some balls, group of balls, right? In each group there are 4 balls, and how many groups are there? 4 groups, like this. Number 1, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. There are 4 groups, right? And each group have how many balls? Each group have 4 balls, right? So that means 4, if you add, if we use addition process, then what will be the answer? Here we have 4 balls, 4 balls, 4 balls, 4 balls. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 balls altogether we have, right? So it takes a long process, so we will do the easier one. For that, what we have to do, we have written 4 times. That means we have drawn 4 groups, and each groups we have drawn 4 balls. So I have written 4 here for 4 groups and put the multiplication sign. Then each group have how many balls? 4 balls. So this is a repeated addition. So for that I have we have to write 4 balls. So that means 4 into 4. 4 fours are the table of 4. 4 fours are 16. So if you multiply this, you will get 16. And if you are doing the longer process with the help of addition, then also you will get 16. Look, the answers are same, right? So in this way you have to do this sum. Now question number 3. There are some cups. There are 3 groups of cups, and each group have how many cups? 5 cups, like this. So there are how many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups, right? So there are 3 groups of cups, and each group have how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means each group have 5 cups. So what I have to write here? Dash times, the question is dash times dash or dash into dash equals to, fill this with the help of this. So in each group how many cups we have drawn? 5 cups, right? So we have written 5 times. That means how many groups? 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. So you have to write here 3, or you can write it in this way, 5 into 3. So all together how many cups we have? 5, 5, 10, 5, 15. If you add all this, that means 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now number 4. In number 4 there are 2 groups of stars. In each group there are 4 stars. So how many stars? So we have to find out with the help of multiplication that how many stars are there all together. Okay, so this is one group and this is another group. This is first group, this is second group. So how many group we have? 2 group, and each group have how many stars? 4 stars. Now the question is dash times dash or dash into dash equals to dash. Okay, so how many stars are there in each group? 4 stars, so write here 4. And how many group? 2 group of stars, so write here 2, or you can write it in this way, 4 into 2. 4 2s are, all together we have how many stars? 4 2s are 8. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in this way you can solve these sums with using multiplication. Okay, now the rest of the question, that is question number 2 and 5, is your homework. Now come to the next page. Okay, now we will do groups of 6, that means table of 6. So there are 3 groups of stars and each group have how many stars? 6 stars. Okay, this is one group, this is second group, and this one is third group. So each group have how many groups? 1 2 3 3 groups, and each group have how many stars? 6 stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so for this if we use addition process, it takes more long time. So if you write in this way, each group have 6 stars, 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So altogether we have 18 stars. Okay, but this is a long process. Now we will use easier methods or easier process. So for that, how many groups I have drawn? 3 groups. So write here 3, use the multiplication sign, and each group have how many stars? 6 stars. So write here 6. So 3 6 18 stars. Now look here, we have got the same answer here and here. In this way you have to do these sums. Okay, now come to count and build the table of 6. So in first picture there is one bunch of grapes, and on that branch there are how many grapes? 6 grapes. Look, only one group on one bunch, and in this is one bunch, and in one bunch how many grapes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 grapes, right? 6 grapes, right? So how can I write this in multiplication form? One group, for one group we have to write 1, then put the multiplication sign, then for this 6 grapes we have to write 6. That means 1 6 6. Okay, so one group, that means we have only 6 grapes. If we add, we have only how many grapes? 6 grapes. That means we have only 6 grapes. Now next, there is a 2 bunch of grapes, and each bunch have how many grapes? 1 2 bunch of grapes, and each bunch has 6 grapes. So how we will write this one? For this 2 bunch we have to write 2, then use the multiplication sign, and each group have 6 grapes, so that's why we have written 6. So all together we have how many grapes? 2 6 12. Now if you add this, you will get the same answer. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Same. Now next one, there are 3 bunch of grapes. 1 2 3 bunch of grapes, and each bunch have how many grapes? 6 grapes. So for this 3 bunch, we have written 3, then use the multiplication sign, and each bunch have how many grapes? 6 grapes. So for that we have written 6. So 3 6 is 18. Now if you will add all these grapes, you will get same answer. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. We have done this one. Now in this way you have to do rest of the sums. Okay, now come to the next page, that is table of 7. In the same way we have to do table of 7. Okay, now we are doing table of 7. Now look here, we have few stars here, but how many bunch of stars or group of stars? How many group of stars? One group, right? So we have only one group of star, and each group have how many stars? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So one group of stars, one group, and how many stars? 7. So that means you can write in this way. For one group, write 1, then put this sign, multiplication sign, then this stars. In one group we have how many stars? 7 stars, because we are doing the table of 7. Okay, so write here 7. So 1 into 7 equals to 7. Now next question is, there are 2 group of stars, 1 2, and each group have how many stars? 7 stars in each group. In this group 7, and in this group 7. So all together we what we have to do? First we have to write the number of groups. So we have 2 groups. For that we have written 2. Then we are doing multiplication, that's why we put this symbol. Then in each group how many stars? 7 stars. So so we have to write here 7. So 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so when you add this all stars, you will get the answer 14. Now and next question, here we have how many groups of stars? 3. So we have written 3, and each group have how many stars? As we are doing the table of 7, that's why in each group we have 7 stars. So put the multiplication sign, then write 7. So 3 7s are 21. So when you add this all stars, you will get the same answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do rest of the sums. This is your homework. Now come to page number 86. Page number 86. Now we are going to do the table of 8. Okay, now we will do the table of 8. Okay, so we have how many groups here? One group, that means write here 1, then give the multiplication sign. Then in one group how many diamonds? 8 diamonds, because we are doing the table of 8. So count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we in one group we have 8 diamonds. So write here 1 into 8. 1 8 is 8. So in this way you have to do. Okay, so in next question we have how many groups? 1 2 groups, and each group have how many diamonds? 8 diamonds. So how you will write? For 2 groups write 2, then put the multiplication sign. Then in each group we have how many diamonds? 8 diamonds. So we have to write 8. So 2 8s are 16. So when you add this all diamonds, you will get this answer 16. Okay, now in next question we have how many groups of diamonds? 1 2, 3, 4. So for that we have written 4 and we are doing multiplication. So put the multiplication sign and each group how many diamonds? 8 diamonds. So write here 8. So 4 8s are 32. Okay, so when you add all these diamonds you will get the same answer. Now next question, how many groups of diamonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for that we have written 6 and we are doing multiplication, that's why we have given the multiply sign. Then each group have 8 diamonds, so for that we have written 8. So if you add all these diamonds you will get this answer. 6 8s are 48. So in this way you have to do this sum. Okay, now we will do table of 9. Okay, now here we have how many group? 1 group. Now we are doing the table of 9. So in each group we have how many balls? 9 balls. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So for one group we have written 1. Use the multiplication sign. Then each group have 9 balls. So for that we have written 9. So 1 9s are 9. Now here how many group? 1 2 3. 3 group. So for that we have written 3. Use the multiplication sign and each group we have 9 balls. So for that we have written 9. So 3 9s are 27. Now in this group how many group we have? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 group. For that we have written 5 and each group how many balls? 9 balls. So for that we have written 9. So 9 5s are 45. Okay, now here we have how many group? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 group. For that we have written 7 into each group have 9 balls, for that's why we have written 9. So 9 7s are 63. So now next question, in each how many group? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 group. So we have written 10. Put the multiplication sign and each group we have how many balls? 9 balls. So 9 10 9s are or 9 10s are 90. So in this way do rest of the part. So your homework is page number 83, 84, 85, 86 and 87. So whatever I have done, do that one and after that whatever is left, that's all your homework. Okay, so for today this much. Thank you.